Before the video start, I just want to check out what it looked like when I first got it. Just walking by the garden center at Walmart. Try to repot here out of that little Walmart container. I shouldn't have wired it. Should have let it get a little stronger. But oh well. Yeah, that bend wasn't really enough. But I went ahead and wired it again. Picked what branches I wanted. I was a little scared. But it grew okay. Definitely wanted to put a better curve in it. So I repotted it again this year. Roots look good. Yeah, much better curve in it now. Decided to repot when I seen all the buds starting to grow out. I knew the roots were active. Now I just have to let it grow. Probably leave it in this pot for quite a number of years. Let it thicken up a little bit. Once the wire starts biting in, go ahead and remove it. Then I'll know it'll keep its shape. And by the time it grows a little more, the wire scars will be gone. Oh yeah, let's get the close up. It's gonna look a lot better. And I got a new leader. It's just starting to come out right. It's gonna start growing nice and strong this year. Yeah, it looks really good now. I won't do anything else to it until the wire starts cutting in, probably next year. Yep, that's it. See you later.